Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we'll learn how to make our own grape color by using our primary colors. So let's get started. Here we'll be using yellow pale, cerulean blue, permanent red to make our pigment. I've now taken out equal amount of ratio of all the three colors, red, yellow and blue, in a plate. And please note that our base color for this pigment will be red. I'm now mixing all the three colors together. Make sure to mix them very well and add some little amount of red into it to get a good maroon grayish type color. So here you can see I'll add a little yellow to make it a bit pale and then a little blue in it. Keep mixing your color and keep assessing until you get your required pigment. Here I'm taking a little amount of this color and adding some more red into it and mixing it well together. And as you can see, I got good rich grape pigment